How to make your phone sound extra louder. There are some hiding settings on your phone you have to know. Find and open settings on your home screen. Tap on sound and vibration. Increase the volume. Scroll down and tap on sound enhancement and turn it on. Go back and tap on BTS sound and turn it on. Your phone will increase sound when incoming calls, playing music and more. Follow me on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook and subscribe to my YouTube channel DS Tech for more.